welcome back to Dear Crafter. Hope you're fine, doing well. Today we are stepping into a snowy winter farmhouse. Decorations surrounded by forest trees, warm lights, and handmade decoration. And along the way, I will share with you heartwarming Christmas story that began right inside his snowy farmhouse. So wrap yourself in a blanket, hold your hot cocoa, and let's begin this magical winter journey. This is a story of Emma, a young woman who returned to her childhood farmhouse for the first Christmas after many years. The house sat quietly at the edge of a snowy forest, its wooden walls shimmering under the moonlight. Inside, everything felt frozen in time. Expect the warm memories calling her back. As she opened the door, the soft crunch of snow followed her step. She whispered, "The Christmas I will bring this farmhouse back to life." And that's where our decoration journey begins. You must start with the farmhouse entrance, where snow gently gathered on the wooden porch. So decoration tips is here. Place two large lanterns filled with LED candle on the both side of the door. Add a winter pine wreath decoration with red berries, dried oranges, pine cones, and a bulb bow. Lay a cozy welcome mat with a plaid blanket and a myth for farmhouse charm. Scatter a few mini snowy Christmas trees around the step as Emma lit the lantern. The warm glow reflected on the snow, almost like the house smiled back at her. Every farmhouse has a story, and Emma knew the old barn door needed a touch of Christmas too. So decoration tips is here. Hang a giant farmhouse wreath, wrap with fairy lights, attach a pair of winter ice skate or a wooden shield beside the door. Add natural touches, pine branches, twigs, cotton stems, and winter berries. When Emma plugged in the light, the bulb slowly transformed into a glowing Christmas postcard. Inside the van, Emma found boxes filled with old decorations. She made a child paper snowflakes, dried oranges, and painted pine cones. As she held them, she remembered her mother saying, "Christmas decorations don't need to be perfect, they just need to be met with love." And with that memory, she continued decorating. The living room is the heart of any farmhouse Christmas. Use a flocked snowy Christmas tree or spray artificial snow on a natural one. Decorate with wooden ornaments, stars, cinnamon stick, and fabric heart. Place a knitted blanket over the soft and add plate cushions. On the coffee table, add a wooden tray with a candle, pine cones, dry fruits, and miniature house. As Emma decorated the tree, she felt the house changing not just visually but emotionally, like life returning after a long winter sleep. Every snowy farmhouse needs a warm fireplace, so decorate it. Hang knitted stocking with wooden name tags. Decorate the mantel with a green garland, fairy lights, and rustic bells. Add wooden reindeers, vintage lantern, and miniature snow-covered tree. Place chopped logs in a basket for extra charm. Emma lit the fireplace and warm golden light danced across the walls, melting the slice of the farmhouse. As Emma placed the last stocking, she noticed an envelope tucked behind it. It was In her mother handwriting, she opened it slowly. Inside was a short message: God bless you.